Hello children, we are on to the sixth part of motion in a plane. In the last class we had studied what is projectile and its associated definitions. Next we will learn the proof of projectile motion, that is we will be showing trajectory of the projectile is a parabola. See, for example, if you take a stone and tie it to the string, if you start whirling, it will follow which path? Circular path. This trajectory is called a circle. If you imagine a car moving on the road, this trajectory means path, P-A-T-H, path. This path is a straight line. If it is a circle, please, excuse me sir. If it is a straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. Not in this example exactly. If it is a straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. If it is a circle, the formula is x square plus y square is equal to r square, where x and y are the coordinates, r is what? Radius. Okay, like this. If it is a parabola means this path. When you throw the object, it will not follow circle, it will not follow straight line also, it will not go along straight line, but it will, this is ground, it will go and come down. This shape is called parabola. What it is called? Parabola. So we are going to show trajectory of the projectile is parabola, not circle, it is parabola. Very simple proof is there. They will ask in the examination the question, show that path followed by a projectile is parabola. Very simple proof. Listen here. Let a projectile be thrown or projected with velocity of projection v naught. Means velocity when time is 0, means you are thrown with velocity 20 meters per second, like that. So this is velocity, first sentence. Let theta be the angle of projection. At how much angle we have thrown? Theta. This body follows this path, then it will fall later on somewhere here. We are not bothered about that one. This is x axis, this is y axis. You should write an important sentence now. Velocity is split, S-P-L-I-T. Split means divide. Velocity is split into two components, two parts. V naught cos theta along x-axis, V naught sin theta along y-axis. Where theta comes, you should write cos theta. Theta is not here, sin theta. This is called initial velocity. Which velocity? Initial velocity. Now what happens when the body progresses? Body comes here. Horizontal velocity remains same. It is not affected by gravity. Suppose horizontal velocity is phi, everywhere it will remain phi meters per second. But if vertical velocity was say some 7 earlier, it will become 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 meters per second. At the top, velocity is how much? 0. No velocity, therefore it does not go up, it will start coming down. Here why it went up? 4, still 4 rupees was there, it went here. 2, still 2 rupees you are going for shopping. Sir, no money, no shopping, you have to come to home. Like that, how many velocities? One horizontal and one vertical. Listen here, you should write horizontal velocity remains same, not affected by gravity. Vertical velocity changes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, decrease like that. Now, listen to me carefully. 0 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Say after t seconds, how many seconds? T seconds. Body has gone from O to A. This body is here means what is distance? X. Body has gone this much forward. How much is height of the body? Y. X is horizontal displacement, Y is vertical displacement. First, for horizontal displacement, using velocity is equal to displacement upon time. You tell what is horizontal velocity? V naught cos theta. What is displacement horizontal? X. What is time for this displacement? Here till here, how much time? T. T. Here till here. Don't take this displacement, horizontal. Time is T. This implies T is equal to X upon V naught cos theta. Call it as equation number 1. Now next, for vertical motion, see two motions, so one horizontal, one more vertical. This stone is having horizontal as well as vertical motion. For vertical motion, using S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is similar to x equal to v naught t plus half at square. Same equation, only symbol is changed. X is made S, v naught is made u, initial velocity. So like this, symbols only have been changed, at square in fact. Tell me, what is vertical displacement? What is, S means displacement. Stone was here, it has gone here. What is vertical displacement? S is equal to Y. So we should write Y. What is initial velocity? Upward. What is upward velocity? What is initial starting velocity? V naught sin theta. V naught sin theta. What is the value of time from this equation? T. T. X upon V naught cos theta plus half. See here children, the body is going up. When body goes up, acceleration is acceleration due to gravity minus g. Most of the time the body goes up minus, so the body comes down plus. Acceleration should be taken as minus g. What is the value of t square? T how much? This answer. You should write v naught upon, sorry children, x upon v naught cos theta square. T square. This entire thing is t square like that. This is written as y is equal to v naught cancels. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. See, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, standard, what do you call the trigonometric answer. This whole thing into x, plus into minus minus g 2 v naught square cos square theta, v naught square cos square theta, x square. You will write it as equation number 2. Equation 2 is similar to equation of parabola, that is y is equal to ax plus bx square. Call it as 3. Now children, this is our equation for the projectile, stone. This is equation of parabola. See, our equation is similar to parabola equation. Therefore, our stone must have followed which path? Parabola path. Listen to me. You have got, say, certain shining thing at your home, which is like gold. Your friend is also having something like that. Your friend's thing and your thing both are exactly same. And your friend who is having certain thing that is gold, that means you are also having what? Gold only. Look here, this is whose equation? Our equation. This is whose equation? Parabola equation. Which equation? Parabola equation, not circle. Since our equation is similar to parabola equation, therefore path followed or trajectory is which one? Parabola only. Therefore stone will follow which path? Parabola. See children, well, what is the value of A? X same. So A must be equal to how much? A must be equal to tan theta. B must be equal to how much? This entire thing is B. B must be equal to minus G upon 2 V naught square cos square theta. From 2 and 3, it is clear that path followed is parabola or trajectory is path is parabola. See children, if our equation would have been y is equal to 3x plus 10, something like this, and standard equation would be y is equal to mx plus c. If not true, if our equation is this and this is standard equation, we would have said path followed is straight line, because our equation is similar to straight line equation. But our equation is similar to which equation? Parabola. Therefore trajectory means path is which path? Parabola. See equation 1, horizontal motion. Now equation 2, vertical motion. Put time here, get the answer. So simple derivation. Take my words, 5 marks. Okay, next derivation is listen here, next 3 derivations, each will be asked for 3 marks, or 2 of them will be asked for 5 marks. Only one step children, take my words, 5 marks in your pocket. Please see, same story, consider a projectile projected with velocity v0. v0 is called velocity of projection. First sentence, let theta be the angle of projection. Third step, velocity is split, SPLIT, split into 2 components, V0 cos theta along horizontal, V0 sin theta along vertical. V0 cos theta remains same, not affected by gravity. V0 sin theta changes because of gravity. At the highest point, vertical velocity C. Here velocity is 3, 2, 1, 0. So final velocity here becomes 0, like that. Vertical velocity is 0. Let h be the maximum height. H be which height? Maximum height. So this is also height, sir. This is not maximum height. This is maximum height. Using formula, using v square minus u square is equal to 2as. You have studied this one as v square minus v0 square is 2ax. Only symbol is changed. What it makes hardly any difference. Tell me what is final velocity. Final velocity is 0 square. What is initial velocity? U is v0 sin theta. v0 sin theta square. 2 as it is. What is acceleration in upward direction? When body is going up, acceleration is taken as minus g. So it should be minus g. What is displacement of the body? Here till here. Don't measure this distance, it is here. This height. So you should write h. Or Take my words, this will fetch you 3 marks. Over. If you write this much, 3 marks. Tell me how to simplify. H is minus, this minus will cancel later on. V0 square sine square theta, V0 square sine square theta upon 2g with negative sign. If you simplify, H will be equal to minus minus cancels, V0 square sine square theta upon 2g. This is the equation for, I will call it as A, this is the equation for maximum vertical height, H. Now, next one, see here children, to go up, if it takes time t, it is called time of ascent, time of rise. To come down also, if it is same level, it will take same time, this is called time of descent. As much time it takes to go up, same it will take to come down. To go up say 8 seconds, or to come down also 8 only. Are you all understanding? Now, how to calculate total time, let us see. What is total time of flight? What is the meaning of time of flight? B. Time of flight. Total time taken by projectile for its complete journey, this total time taken for complete journey is called time of flight. Very simple derivations here. Using V is equal to U plus AT. What is final velocity here? Velocity is 0 because no vertical velocity. If vertical velocity would have been there, body would have still gone up, up, up. But no money, no shopping like that. Velocity is 0. What is initial velocity upward? U, V0 sin theta. What is acceleration in upward direction? Upward direction acceleration is minus g t. Minus gt you take on this side, that will become plus gt. V0 sin theta as it is. This g you should take in the denominator. This is equation number 2. Time of ascent is time of descent. Same time. What is total time? Time of flight t is equal to, see, to go home and, to go to college and come back from college, if you take same time, what is total time? Add both the times. So, total time of flight is 2t, t plus t, total time, that is 2 as it is. What is the value of small t? Small t how much? V0 sin theta upon g. This is the expression for time of flight. Time of flight. Total time for the complete journey. Time taken for the complete journey is called time of flight. Time of flight. This is second derivation. Call it as equation number B, RLs 2, RLs 3. Third one is range. In fact, horizontal range. See, for horizontal motion, maximum distance along the ground is called range. Maximum displacement along the horizontal, is called range. See, for example, you threw one stone and it has fallen here only. Range is say 8 meters. Suppose one more stone has fallen here. Range is say some 22 meters. This horizontal displacement is called horizontal range. See, velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Therefore, displacement is equal to what? Velocity into time. Concentrate. What is this displacement called? Stone was here, it has come here. What is this displacement? Range. What is velocity? In the horizontal direction, this range means this velocity you should take. What is velocity? V naught cos theta. V naught cos theta. What is time of flight? What is t? Time. This t is this equation. 2 V naught sin theta upon g. V naught becomes what? V naught square into 2 sin theta into cos theta whole thing divided by g. We can write it as V naught square as it is. 2 sin theta into cos theta is a standard identity. We will write here r is equal to V naught square. See, 2 sin theta into cos theta, it is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. It will be taught in mathematics. I am very sorry. So, in place of 2 sin theta into cos theta, what we can write? Sin 2 theta. Instead of these two, we can write sin 2 theta divided by g. This is the expression for range of the projectile. This is the expression for range of the projectile. Now, next one is out of these three derivations,